Hello friends, I hope everybody is doing great. The topic is that what are the components of a basic CV when you prepare the CV. So each CV has some basic component. The first component is your career profile. The question is that how to make a career profile for the beginners or freshers. I have made a detailed video in that, and they can also make the career profile to make attractive to the interviewer. So I'm giving you the link on I button. If you want to watch, you can see this. After this you have your education. If your education component, if you are not experienced, you have to put your education. Just watch my video, you will find each and everything in detail. Then you have experience component, then you have skills and other components where you have to mention your skills, IT skills, and other hobbies and these type of things. At the end you have to make your personal profile, where you have to give your personal details. As I mentioned in my video, long video, don't forget to put your hobbies and interest, which makes you attractive to the hiring person. Try to make your CV in a way that the person calls you for the interview, because this is the tag, this is your selling tag, and you have to make in an attractive way so you can the interviewer can call you for the interview. You might have noticed that when you go to any supermarket, there is a big banner mentioned sale 50%, and in the down it's mentioned very tiny with very tiny words that up to something like that. So they just attract the customer, and then when you go and you find that this is not actually 50%, this is up to 50%. So your CV is also like this. You have to make your CV in an attractive way so people call you for the interview. I hope you like the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now and press the bell icon. Circulate among members, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.